Hello, mobile gardeners. Growing plants indoors can be challenging, especially in a van where natural sunlight is limited. In today's video, I'll explore the best lighting solutions for your indoor van garden, focusing on compact and efficient LED grow lights. Light is one of the most important factors for healthy plant growth, providing the energy plants need for photosynthesis. In a van, where natural light may be limited, grow lights are essential for maintaining vibrant and productive plants. LED grow lights are the top choice for van gardening. Here's why. They're energy efficient, making them ideal for solar-powered setups. Compact and lightweight, they fit easily into tight spaces. Full-spectrum LEDs provide the necessary light wavelengths for all stages of plant growth. Here's how to set up grow lights in your van garden. Choose lights that match your plant's needs. For leafy greens, use full-spectrum lights with a higher blue light ratio. For flowering plants, add lights with more red wavelengths. Position the lights 12-18 inches above your plants for optimal coverage without overheating. Secure the lights to your van's interior using brackets or adhesive mounts to ensure stability while driving. Plants need a balance of light and darkness. Use a timer to automate your light cycles. For most plants, 12-16 hours of light per day is ideal. Adjust the duration based on the growth stage. Seedlings may need longer light periods, while mature plants require less. To get the most out of your grow lights, use reflective materials like mylar or aluminum foil around your plants to increase light coverage. Keep your grow lights clean and free from dust to ensure consistent light output. Combine grow lights with natural sunlight when possible to save energy. With the right grow lights, you can create a productive indoor garden no matter where your van takes you. LED lights are efficient, compact, and perfect for small spaces, making them a must-have for van life gardening. If you're ready to light up your van garden, hit that subscribe button for more mobile gardening tips. Share your lighting setups or questions in the comments below, and let's grow together.